Same day, Ficano announced a new ethics policy. 7 Action News has learned his administration is under scrutiny by the Attorney General for possible fraud. 7 Action News investigator Ross Jones joins us now with the latest on this. And Ross, what have you learned?
Well, Steve and Diana, the FBI has been probing the county's mental health department for months. Now the state attorney general's office is starting its own investigation, and it's looking for evidence of Medicaid fraud. The letter sent last Friday demands specific records from the Wayne County Community Mental Health Authority. It comes after allegations that County Executive Robert Ficano diverted restricted Medicaid dollars to pay for county employees that worked for him. The county has 30 days to give the AG scores of records, including lists of all mental health employees and their job descriptions, all bank accounts associated with the Mental Health Authority, and all memos regarding employees being paid with mental health funds that weren't doing mental health work. This isn't the first time Ficano's been accused of taking restricted dollars and using them for his own sizable staff. The county's former Department of Public Services director told 7 Action News last year that his department used restricted roads dollars to pay for Ficano appointees who never worked on roads.
The question would be asked, why are these people on our budget? The response would be, well, that's where we need to put them, so, really don't worry about that. We've got that taken care of. Not a good answer for me.
And we were first to report last August that Ficano often paid his own appointees with other department funds. This 2008 memo written by a Department of Environment official complained that Ficano's then press secretary and assistant were being paid out of his budget. The cost was more than $100,000. In an email, Department Director Butler Benton wrote, "I did not sign the approval to pay them, nor will I." Today, Wayne County officials said they have no comment on the ongoing probe other than to say they're cooperating with the Attorney General.
Now, Ross, off the top, we mentioned the Ficano administration has introduced its new ethics policy. What can you tell us about that one?
Well, today Ficano, as you said, announced that he's prohibiting appointees from pressuring county employees to work on campaign events, and he said that appointees will need to wait at least a year before taking a job with a county vendor. The commission needs to vote on whether or not they're going to accept those new rules, but it might already be too late. As Commissioner Laura Cox said today, it's like Richard Nixon introducing ethics rules after Watergate.
Ouch.